So this is how you decide where you're gonna take your girlfriend to go out on a date or go to eat. Very simple. This is big boy stuff, and you can use this trick, and you should know it down. So you tell your girlfriend, babe, guess where I'm taking you to eat? And the first guess you make, you take her there. It's that simple. No arguing, no picking, no drama.
Okay, this one's for the boys. See, just a normal finger. Yeah, see, normal finger. Gotta go to edit. Straighten. Oh, vertical. Oh, whoa, it's way bigger. You want to get the girth? Just do that. There you go.
Alright, this one's for the boys. So, you know when you're like taking a shit and it's like so hard to come out? Alright, now that the girls are gone. I know that there's those times where there's a girl that you like, but you're too scared to tell. So I found the easiest way to do it. And if they say no or some shit, then it's okay. Because then you can just be like, oh, cause I said that cause this. So basically, all you do is just send them Snapchat, right? It's like, maybe you in a funny picture, right? And just be like, we should go out, or like, I like you or something. And then, see what they say. And if it's not what you want to hear, just screenshot it and then say, haha, that was for TikTok. Got you guys.
Here's 3 ways to know if somebody's checking you out. Number 1, quick glances.
And this is simple. You see, men and women are built differently. Women, according to science, have a wider peripheral vision than men, meaning that if women zero you in and continually look at you when they don't have to, it's because they're checking you out. And for men, we have tunnel vision. This is why we always get caught checking girls out all the time. Number 2, you got a group of them looking at you at the same time, whether it's guys or girls, but I'll speak from girls' perspective. If you got a group of girls all giggling and you see them that they're looking at you, don't self-doubt yourself and think that they're making fun of you. They're probably checking you out. Guys do the same thing.
And number 3, that's your gut, bro. Trust your gut. I'd say my gut's been right about 85% of the time, and the other 15% that I don't take them as losses, I take them as a learning experience that help perfect my craft. The point is that if you think somebody's checking you out, you're probably right.